Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to claim invite reward in Worldcoin app. First thing first, you can redeem an invite in two ways, with an invitation link or with an invite code. If you have an invite link, open your friend's invite link, then tap the accept invite button. Copy the invite code from the screen, then go ahead and download and install the World app if you already haven't. After signing up, tap the gear icon at the bottom to open settings, then scroll down and select redeem invite. Pass the invite code you copied earlier, then tap confirm, and if valid, you'll see a confirmation screen. And if you have an invitation code, open the app and go to settings. Scroll down and tap on Redeem Invite and enter or pass the invite code. Tap Confirm and you'll get access and a success message if the code is valid. Just a tip, make sure you copy the entire code without spaces to avoid errors. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.